Does this school system administrator look like you? Tracking assets manually is hard, and it's nearly impossible across multiple locations. Spreadsheets just can't keep up. Juggling manual spreadsheets can lead to unreliable inventory, higher risk of asset loss, unknown asset condition, missed replacement opportunities. So, how do you keep your critical assets ready? Schools, government agencies, and many diverse industries trust RedBeam to streamline their asset management process. RedBeam's mobile asset tracking reduces errors, locates assets instantly, records history, and boosts accuracy, even for dispersed assets. Easily track assets by location and the person using them with simple check-in, check-out features. Tracking location isn't enough. Assets must be usable. RedBeam monitors asset condition and alerts owners when replacements are needed. Best of all, RedBeam is an easy to set up and intuitive to use, allowing you to get started quickly. RedBeam is a powerful but easy to use secure web-based platform. It integrates with customer mobile devices to scanners and even RFID scanning from Zebra Technologies, so you get exactly what you need. RedBeam can be your system of record for asset inventory, or RedBeam can integrate easily with other back-office systems using REST APIs. Not just for education, RedBeam works for any industry needing to track the location, condition, user, and maintenance of high-value or critical assets. Ready to take control of your asset inventory? Contact the experts at RedBeam to get started with a free trial.